Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome on board the Norwegian Prima. We're here to do a room tour today. Now we have an inside cabin, room 10761. So an interior cabin, and I've actually got to say, I'm going to show you guys this room. I'm liking this Norwegian cabin. I really do. All right, so as soon as you come in the room, we'll actually come all the way in. Of course, you have your bed. And I like the artwork there on the back of the wall. But you do have your lamps on either side. Both have USB ports in them.
And there's plugs behind them.
And plugs behind them, okay. And then you have a small desk area over here with a drawer in the desk. And of course, it has all of your information in there. You have your hair dryer under there, and it's got like a little desk type stool underneath. And I think if you flip that up, it actually becomes a back for the chair, kind of. Back or a little handle for the chair. But over here on the desk, you have more USB ports, power ports, another power port over here. You have your room service menu. Come around over here on this side. You have another small desk area. You have your TV. And Tiffany's going over here now. Tiffany really likes this feature here. They have these soft touch drawers. And then you have the refrigerator down in here. Now on this one, they had the monsters. That's Tiffany and her caffeine issues. But they did have some stuff already in the mini bar. So there was a bottle of wine, looks like a bottle of sparkling water, and
it's all water.
Water and
water.
And water.
It's all water, but there's prices listed on each bottle as to how much it's going to cost you if you drink it.
Right. And if you need more refrigerator space, you just let your room steward know and they will empty that out for you. All right, so now we're going to head down the hallway here. We'll go look here in the closet. On this side here, you do have the place to hang up your clothes. You have your safe. And then they have additional drawers down here. They are also the soft touch drawers. And that is just a nice feature that I have not seen in a cruise ship before.
You have hooks on the wall, which is great for your backpacks, your jackets, caps, stuff like that. And a full-length mirror. Then you have more closet space and more baskets. This would be great for shoes and stuff. Put your shoes on the bottom because all the dirt just goes right through.
And they got that nice soft touch. And then you have some additional space up here. More hanging space. Got a shelf on top. More hanging space. Nice place to set some bags.
For an inside cabin, there is a lot of closet space.
Now, I'm going to have to say that one of the best features, Tiffany's going to show you this here. This is one of the nicest bathrooms I have seen just on a regular cabin. Not a suite, not anything, just a regular inside cabin. So let's take a look at this bathroom. Now, of course, you have your throne for doing all of your important business. But I like the decorations in here. You got your sink. You got some shelves. There is a power outlet in here. You got a soap dispenser on the wall. And then you have the shower. And a little noisy there, but it's got a glass door, so no shower curtain giving you the touchy-feelies.
There's a clothesline up there.
Yep, does have the clothesline on top. You have your products, your shampoo and your body wash on the wall. And Tiffany wanted to make sure that I point out that it does have the footstool or place to put your foot for the ladies to shave their legs.
Yes, that's important because it's really hard to shave in those showers where the shower curtain dances with you.
Fondles your hiney. So not a big room, but definitely a nice room. I'm actually quite impressed. All right, so that is the room tour of our inside cabin here on board the Norwegian Prima. Again, that is room 10761. That's the 10th floor, about midship, starboard side. I think this is going to be a really great room for us to spend the next weekend. Like I said, it's really nice. It's really modern, like all the little features and stuff that it has in it. Tiffany's really happy about that shower. So I think it's going to be a really great room for our week here on Norwegian Prima. All right, I hope everyone out there has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always,
We'll see you out on the high seas.